Introducing the Royal Shade Waterproof Pergola Cover Canopy. Royal Shade's Pergola Cover Canopy is a universal replacement for all pergola canopies. We provide an extensive color selection and limitless size choices, ensuring a superior quality replacement for your old canopy. Broad spectrum of color options. Made-to-order sizes available. 2 days turnaround time for custom sizes. Comes with stainless steel weighted rod. The weighted rods ensure the pergola canopy remains stable and anchored when free hanging, and they can be further secured to the pergola using zip ties. Based on your pergola's dimensions, it's advised to choose a canopy cover that's at least 6 feet longer. This ensures a 3 feet drop on each end for optimal coverage and appearance. The set includes stainless steel hardware and zip ties for easy attachment of the cover to the pergola. Our brass and copper grommets are designed to resist rust, setting them apart from other brands that use aluminum. Grommets are evenly spaced 2 feet apart. The drop can be easily rolled up, allowing for a versatile setup. The fabric is crafted from waterproof HDPE material, so you can stay dry under the pergola. Blocks up to 95% of harmful UV rays. Lowers temperatures by up to 15 degrees Fahrenheit beneath it. Stay dry, stay cool. Unlock more with your pergola. Turn every outdoor moment into your own personal sunny day. Don't let another rainy day disrupt your outdoor moment. Stay cool, stay dry. Thanks for watching.